The Oruç race has reached its destination, south of Turkey, between the islands of Cyprus and Crete. The research vessel is looking for oil and gas in the eastern Mediterranean. Just a few days before, talks between Turkey and Greece had collapsed.
Bölgedeki sismik araştırma faaliyetlerimizi
We postponed our seismic research activities in the region for a while upon the request of the Chancellor of Germany, Ms. Merkel, as a goodwill gesture. However, the Greek side once again showed that it did not act in good faith and turned to an agreement with Egypt that had no legal basis.
This is the moment Greece and Egypt signed that deal, a deal Turkey views as null and void. The point at which 3 months of talks between Athens and Ankara could no longer continue.
This agreement with Egypt is within the framework of international law, respects all concepts of international law and the law of the sea and good neighborly relations, and contributes to security and stability in the region.
But Turkey disagrees. It believes Greece is trying to claim more than is fair or proportionate, and using international law to provide cover for its actions, ignoring a country with the longest coastline in the eastern Mediterranean. With potentially massive deposits of gas and oil, the race to stake out exploration rights has accelerated in recent years. This is the area Turkey has claimed as its continental shelf, and this is the area covered by a maritime deal between Turkey and Libya. Here is where Oruç race is operating. But these are the regions claimed by Greece and Egypt, and this is where Turkey is planning to now grant exploration licenses.
Now we have mobilized our ship. Oruç Reis has sailed to the region, and we have determined the western borders of our continental shelf. By the end of August, we will continue all sorts of seismic and drilling operations in this area.
Earlier this year, the East Mediterranean Gas Forum was established to promote exploration and cooperation in the region. It includes all these countries, except Turkey and the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus, leading to suspicion that Ankara is being deliberately excluded.
We are celebrating today with the initial signing of the agreement to establish an international organization, the EastMed Gas Forum.
Greece, Israel and the Greek Cypriots have also signed a deal for an East Mediterranean gas pipeline, a project that would make more financial sense if it included Turkey. The issue is further complicated around the island of Cyprus. This is the area Turkey claims as its continental shelf. It overlaps with an area the Greek Cypriots have claimed as an exclusive economic zone, and that overlaps with territory claimed by the Turkish Cypriots. Under international law, if parties cannot agree on their maritime boundaries, they should try to negotiate, and if that fails, go to conciliation or approach an international court. Turkey says, despite Greece's actions, it's still willing to discuss the matter.
We say, let's come together as all countries in the Mediterranean and find a formula that is acceptable to everyone and protects everyone's rights.
There's one more factor, the war in Libya. Greece has been developing relations with opponents of the UN-recognized government in Tripoli, which Turkey supports, as a way of gaining leverage in the Mediterranean dispute. Turkey and Greece have been at odds over territorial rights for decades, but the search for oil and gas has added an extra layer of complexity. The two sides say they're willing to talk,